The materials that you need are simply a sock and scissors. When you are selecting a sock, make sure that the sock is close to your hair color. Take your scissors and cut the toe of the sock off. Simply roll the sock into a donut. If your hair is longer, you may need a bigger donut. With an additional sock, pull it through the original donut and continue rolling the sock to make it bigger. Now you have made the base for your sock bun. Keep in mind that you may also purchase ready-made sock buns from various hair stores, Amazon, and even Walmart.